Speak up. To speak louder or more clearly. Could you please speak up? I can't hear you very well. Speak up for. To support or defend someone or something. As your lawyer, I will speak up for your rights in court. Talk over. To discuss something thoroughly. Let's talk over the details of the project tomorrow. Hang on. To wait for a short period of time. Hang on a second, I need to grab my notebook. Shut up. To stop talking, often used as a command. Please shut up and let me finish my explanation. Speak out. To express one's opinions or beliefs openly. It's important to speak out against injustice when you see it. Hear out. To listen to someone until they have finished speaking. Can you hear me out before you make a decision? Speak down to. To speak to someone as if they are less intelligent or important. Don't speak down to me just because I'm younger than you. Pass on. To transmit information or a message to someone else. Could you please pass on the message to the rest of the team? Speak over. To continue speaking even when someone else is talking. Please don't speak over me while I'm trying to explain. Break in. To interrupt someone who is speaking. I'm sorry to break in, but I have a question about what you just said. Listen in. To listen to a conversation without participating. I saw John listening in on our discussion yesterday. Tune in. To focus on or pay attention to something. Make sure to tune into the news tonight for updates. Tune out. To stop paying attention or become uninterested. I tend to tune out during long meetings. Catch on. To understand or grasp something. It took me a bit, but I'm catching on to the new software now. Speak for. To represent or express the opinions of others. As the team leader, I can speak for everyone when I say we need more time to complete the project. Break off. To stop speaking suddenly. The speaker had to break off in the middle of the presentation due to a technical issue. Chime in. To join or participate in a conversation by offering a remark. Sarah always chimes in with interesting ideas during our meetings. Get through. To successfully communicate or convey a message. It was difficult to get through to him, but eventually he understood my point of view. Hold forth. To speak confidently or at length about a topic. He held forth on the benefits of a plant-based diet for hours. Clam up. To become silent, especially unwillingly. Whenever the topic of her past comes up, she tends to clam up. Put across. To express or communicate something effectively. It's important to put your ideas across clearly. In a job interview, turn up. To arrive or appear unexpectedly. We weren't expecting him to turn up at the party. Talk down. To talk to someone as if they are less intelligent than you or not important. I don't appreciate you talking down to me like I'm a child. Pass around. To share something, such as information or food, among a group of people. Let's pass around the snacks so everyone can have some. Cut off. To stop someone from speaking or being heard. The phone call was cut off suddenly, and I couldn't hear what they were saying. Pick up. To improve or develop a skill, habit, or behavior. He's been picking up English quickly since he started practicing it daily. Face up to. To confront or accept difficult situation or reality. It's time to face up to the fact that we need to make some changes in our strategy.